Okay, good morning children. Yesterday lesson today continue. We will discuss chapter 3. Chapter 3 Union Government. Chapter 3 Union Government. Yesterday we will discuss Union Government, functions of Prime Minister, and it's important of the article under the President ruling of system, and next okay, Prime Ministers and role of the Parliament, like example Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, how to functions about role of the Parliament and difference between Prime Minister and President. Okay, it is relationship how to the relationship of the Prime Minister and President about our Union Government. Okay, today topic is about functions of the Parliament. Okay, Parliament means yesterday we discussed it already. Parliament means Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. Okay, these three type of main important functions of the Parliament. Okay, so next Prime Minister. Prime Minister, it is the okay, it is the nation leader. Okay, nation leader. Who is called nation leader? The Prime Minister. Okay, who is called the Constitution leader? The President. Constitution leader is called the President. The nation leader is called the Prime Minister. Okay, Prime Minister, President appointed Prime Minister. Other Union Cabinet Ministers. Okay, the Union Cabinet ministers actually under the political party wise. Political parties rule are mainly the power of the party, ruling of the party, ruling of the party only mainly under the ruling of the Prime Minister. Okay, the cabinet. Cabinet means what is the meaning of cabinet? Prime Minister and Union Ministers. Okay, the cabinet head of the person Prime Minister. Okay. Prime Minister, it is also called a nation leader. Okay, so this we will already yesterday we discussed. Now today, functions of the Parliament. What is main functions of the Parliament? Functions of the Parliament. Functions of the Parliament. Okay, in this chapter, here about total Union Government. The functions of the Parliament. Parliament it is mainly conduct the all type of bills, particularly main point of the act. The any one act first bill announced by the Lok Sabha. After next Lok Sabha the bill goes to Rajya Sabha and last signed the President. So this is the methods of the in every democratic country. So under the constitution leaders, the constitution type of principle, every parliament under the controlled by the some members. Okay, the some members mainly decide under the some direct ruling and indirect ruling. Okay, for example, direct type of elections, Lok Sabha elections, every 5 years conduct the elections, and Rajya Sabha every 6 years some important of changes of the Rajya Sabha members. Okay, and next Parliament like mainly it is called low type of Sabha. For example, Vice President the mainly announcement of the Rajya Sabha members, the Rajya Sabha leader. Okay, so the Rajya Sabha leader leader who is the Vice President. So the Lok Sabha two type of persons mainly here main head of the council, Prime Minister and next to President. So the functions of the Parliament. What is the main functions of Parliament? The Parliament functions mainly it is first one. Okay, first one mainly legislative members, legislative of the members. legislative members, the legislative members, legislative houses. For example, prime minister under the appointed of the person, legislative members, and executive members. Executive members under the president. Okay, legislative type of functions. Legislative type of functions. For example, every 5 years Canada elections under historical duration period of the system. The elections period mainly appointed of the legislative type of members and legislative powers. Legislative powers, executive powers, financial powers, your main powers of the parliament. Okay, legislative of the members and the legislative powers. Legislative powers. Legislative powers. Okay. Number one, legislative of the members and powers. The functions of parliament, legislative powers. For example, your parliament, your Lok Sabha members directly elected every some duration of the period. So the legislative powers under the directly ruling main power under the prime minister and other union cabinet ministers. Union cabinet minister. The union cabinet ministers also under the directly ruling of the own party, own council of the party. The party, sometimes parties also given some advices under the prime minister. Okay, example, the president given some advices prime minister. The prime minister also conduct the meeting or conference some durable of the some 2 months or 3 months after 3 months or 2 months. Okay, some given for suggestions and changes of the any particular ways, the particular views, any new bill accepted or rejected. The total power of the system under the legislative powers. Power of the system, legislative powers. Okay, in every state under the control by the legislative assembly. The assembly members mainly will discuss on the nation wise. We discuss on the nation wise and control of the national powers. So the legislative powers under the control by the national powers. So national powers, it is mainly under the prime ministership only. The prime ministership, the prime minister mainly given some advices or suggestions, any remarks, total everything is under the union cabinet only. The union ministers, the union minister department, different type of departments. Already we will discuss some important of union ministers. The union ministers totally under the head of the prime minister. Okay, the prime minister some given of the advice and the president. Okay, legislative powers. Next, financial powers. Financial powers. Number one, legislative power of the legislative member. Okay. Number two, financial power. So these are mainly functions of the parliament. Financial power, financial type of bill, any type of currency or any type of new bill, financial problems. The financial powers also mainly announced of the parliament. So the financial powers also mainly announced of the parliament, and the bill is also mainly financial type of situations. Financially, the country total how to develop the country rules and regulation, the country total own use. Okay, financial use, and economically the powers also mainly maintenance of the under the control by the home and other economical and finance minister. Okay, financial power under the control by the finance minister. Next, number three, economical power. Economical power. Economical power, financial and economical power. Economical power also announced of the new budget. For example, every year announced of the budget, the financial expenditure, income and expenditure. It is called mainly budget. Yeah, how many crores of the income there and expenditures how many crores. Okay, economical power, financial power. Financially, parliament only mainly financially the bill or any act change or rechange and accept or not accepted. Okay, the bill is the members only will discuss it economically the members only discussed under the control by the every every member under the ruling of the constitutional rules. Okay, the legislative of the members under the constitutional rules. Next, political administration. Political administration. Political administration. Political power. Political administration of the power. Legislative power, financial power, economical power, political administration of the power. Political administration of the power, political party base, the political parties, different type of views and different type of methods are there. Every political party under the manifesto type of ruling. The manifesto is some yearly wise or some elections time wise. The manifesto also mainly announced of the political party leader. The political party leaders also every political party under the every political party leaders under the discuss about under the ministers. Okay, central ministers. Okay, the central ministers also given some advices to prime minister. Political administration of the power. The political administration means to service. Okay, the political power, political parties and political leaders given some advices under the prime minister. Sometimes given some advices. For example, natural hazards, natural type of effect one category or one society, one side. So the powers also mainly maintenance of the rule of law and order is also controlled by the under the prime minister and given some advice under the presidency system. Okay, presidential country. So the political administration of the power also mainly effect of the function of the parliament. The political wise also different type of views are there. The politically the views, the methods different. But is administration is same equal type of administration and the administration is under the main effect of the powering type of system. The powering type of system, everything the people or the party, everything compulsory follow the under the political views or political views. Next, number 5. Number 5, judicial powers. Judicial powers. Okay, judicial power. Judicial under the rule of law, under the judicial type of system. All are equal before the law. So judicial means like example, here every Supreme Court judges and Union Council of Ministers. Union Council of Ministers and Financial Ministers, Supreme Court Judge and High Court Judges. Okay, Cabinet Ministers, total appointed under the Prime Minister only. Prime Minister and the President. Prime Minister given some advices under the President. The President only directly appointment and the President only mainly directly ruling, directly elected. Okay. Judicial power. The judicial power is also one of the main important of the in political viewers. Economically, the India is mainly improved. So judicial type of system also financial power after judicial system also mainly increasing of the administration and rule of law. The rule of law also there and next to either court. The court under the justice also mainly maintains their justice. And judiciary. Justice is the main important of the every parliament. The parliament discusses about judicial also. The parliament discusses about judicial type of system and other ruling of the system. Judicial type of system and other ruling of the system and equal law. Law is also mainly maintains every citizen. The law is equality for every people, not only support one side or another side. This is equal type of law, equal law and equal justice for all. Okay, society for all people, equal law and equal justice under the which power? Judicial power. Okay, a judicial power under the equal law and equal record system. Next, number 6. Political administration power, judicial power. Next, economical force of the function. Economical force of the function under the union government. The union government here already we know the prime minister leadership. The leadership under the minister, union cabinet minister, prime minister only. Article 50 to 55 about prime minister's ruling system only mentioned there. Article 50 to 54. So next to economical force of the function. Economically the total legislative members. Here legislative councils and next judicial power and executive power. These are power under the control by the prime minister. Judicial power, okay, judicial power under the control by the parliament and control by the prime minister. Economical and next legislative executives, legislative powers and executive system also. Okay, executive powers economically force of the function and executive power. Economical force of the function and executive powers. Executive powers means like here appointed of the union cabinet minister, union minister. The union ministers also mainly they are the ministers strongly of the nation. Okay, discuss any new bill or new act and change the new article or new amendment under the discuss about the parliament. Okay, 350 article 352 article 352 360 about president ruling of the system of India, president rule. Okay, functions of the parliament and functions of the prime minister. Functions of the prime minister already we discussed in yesterday class. Okay, the prime minister is the approach of the leader and it is the main system of the function. Okay, these are the main important functions of the parliament. Next, functions of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court how to maintain and how to control by the parliament. Okay. Functions of the Supreme Court. Okay, Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is called Apex Court of India. Apex Court. Okay, Supreme Court it is called Apex Court of India. It is the largest court and main important of the court, Supreme Court. Apex Court of India, mainly Supreme Court. Supreme Court functions. What is there? It is the Supreme Court mainly controlled by the rule of law. It is main function. Rule of law. All are equal before the law or rule of law. Rule of law. So the Supreme Court is the main power of the under the control by the judicial system. It is Apex Court of India and every high court. Okay, every high court under the control by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judge and other Supreme Court main lawyers and High Court all are High Court judges appointed by Union Council ministers also appointed by President only. Okay, the Supreme Court judge appointed by President. The Supreme Court is mainly Apex Court of India. It is also mainly divided from here three type of functions. Main important of the functions, three type of functions. Legislative function. Number one, rule of law. This rule of law is equally every person, every citizen under the control by the nation, controlled by the nation and controlled by the power. Executive powers. Executive powers. Next, legislative powers. Legislative. Next, judicial powers. Judicial powers. The Supreme Court is called the Apex Court of India. In our India, total under the judiciary system, under the law, the judiciary system, and under the law, it is very dependent on the only Supreme Court only Supreme Court. This is called the mainly Apex Court of India, and it is members. The Supreme Court members also appointed and ruling suggestions also given under the Prime Minister and Union Government. The Union Government it is not only Union Government means not only is dependent on President, not only dependent on Prime Minister. It is mainly dependent on the Supreme Court also. The Supreme Court also mainly depend on the Union Government. Sometimes the court also given some suggestions under the central government and the state government also. Okay, here mainly some given suggestions. Sometimes given rules and regulations. Okay, what is the main rule of the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court is the separate concept of the under the whole of the country, control of the country and whole of the country. It is mainly Apex Court of India and the Supreme Power. The power is totally under the judicial power only mentioned. Judicial type of power. Okay, the judicial power type of system it is called a single judiciary system. Single judiciary system. Rule of law, executive powers. Okay, first one is we are mainly executives. The executive members. The executive members also under the ruling of the under the High Court. Okay, the High Court are all the High Court are depend on the Supreme Court. So this is the main depend on the Supreme level. Supreme means mainly number one a strong type of nation. The nation under the control by the mainly judiciary type of system, judicial planning system. Okay, under the law and under the judicial type of system. So executive power, the power is under the constitutional. The Supreme Court also mainly affected. The Supreme Court also mainly announced from the Supreme Court judgment also here depend on the constitutional type of system. Constitutional depend on the constitution is mainly main power given under the Supreme Court. Constitution of India, we have main power given. The power mainly sometimes direct ruling of the nation. The power mainly given some advices under the Prime Minister and the state legislative members and the state legislative assembly. Okay. Executive powers. The executive powers under the sometimes given some advice union cabinet ministers. Okay. It is the main executive power of the Supreme Court. Next, legislative power. The legislative power. What is the main legislative power of the Supreme Court? Supreme Court power under the Prime Ministership. Under the Prime Minister also some Prime Minister also given some advices, given some suggestions and remarks. Okay, these are total under the legislative powers only. Legislative members. Here legislative powers under the elections. Elections also how to conduct the elections. The elections period here mainly follow the rules and regulations. Rules and regulation. The rules and regulation also under the control by the sometimes under the control by the Supreme Power. Supreme Power is the nation. Under of the Supreme Nation. Okay. Next, judicial power. Judicial power. It is the main power of the Supreme Court. Judicial type of system. The judicial power It is which type of citizenship, which type of judiciary there? Single judiciary system. Single judiciary. Single judiciary system. So the single judicial system under the control by the judicial power. The judicial power is the rule of law and equal law. Rule of law and equal law. It is mainly dependent on the under the Supreme Court. Supreme Court it is mainly located on the central level. The central level mainly announce of the new bill, any act implemented under the act bill was passed under the parliament. Okay, the parliament bill was announced of the any member not accept or any member not interested under the mainly controlled by the law and order, particularly controlled by law and order one of the nation, law and order of the country, law and order of the country under the control by the which level Supreme Court. The court it is mainly every 6 years. Every 6 years appointed of the judges. Every some 6 years after. Okay. 6 years are last age 65 years age. 65 years age after retirement of judges under the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judges are who is also president. The president under the central level, prime minister suggestions also given sometimes. Okay, it is announced from the Supreme Court judges, Supreme Court judges. Okay, controller and audit general, audit report, the report and financial matter, financial theories. Okay, the financial matter and the financial theory and under the strongly type of nation. The nation is strongly or the nation is totally depend on the Supreme Court development. So judicial power, judicial type of system and the single judicial type of system under the Supreme Court level. Judicial type of system, single type of judiciary system. Every 6 years retirement, every 6 years or 65 years age, the Supreme Court judge retirement after 6 years complete after or vice versa. 6 years complete after retirement or next 65 years age. Okay, below 65 years age, below 65 years age, mainly the retirement is a main eligible. Okay, who is the eligible is the Supreme Court judge. The eligible is mainly 65 years below 65 years age, and already the judge is already mainly working from the other remaining courts, high courts. High courts are other main point of the lawyer. Okay, main lawyer. Okay, here mainly announced of the Supreme Court of the functions. These are the functions of the Supreme Court. Okay, next Parliament level. Okay, union government here mainly under the union government president rule. President rule. Article number 350 and 360 mainly mentions on the president rule. President rule. How to conduct a president rule? How to conduct means how to announce. Okay, how to announce of the president rule? The president rule announced under the state wise. The state government, governor, some given the control of the state. Sometimes political power. Sometimes the political problems. Okay, the political problems, the government also actually is not working properly amidst the government problems, political leader problems or ministers. Okay, the people is a total opposite of the government. Okay, sometimes opposite leaders also, opposition party leaders also given some advice under the governor. Okay, he is mainly maintenance of the president rule. Okay, under the president rule, particularly the president rule directly controlled by the president only. So the president rule under the only for governor and president only directly working. Here mainly under the law and order. Law and order directly controlled by the president only. Law and order. So the president rule, it is sometimes the president rule mainly state government. The state government failure or state government it is some suspended, some ministers or some MLAs will be suspended sometimes under the state government. So opposition leaders mainly force of the president rule, mainly some given some complaint governor, okay, against of the CM, against of the CM. So the president rule, it is mainly sometimes these are the articles 350 and 360 under the constitution. The constitution in this president rule type of system separate power there, separation powers. So under the judicial and legislative executive members under the direct control by the presidential system only. Direct control by the president. Same as it is like union territories. Union territories also direct control by the under the president. Same president will also under the control by the direct ruling. Okay, and conduct the election sometime after some time. The president rule is maximum here 3 months or 4 months or 6 months also. Okay, sometimes 15 days or 1 month also there. Okay, so the president rule is one of the main system of the union government. Union government means not only prime minister and president, it is also mainly depend on the Supreme Court. Supreme Court and cabinet plans. Okay. Okay, students, these are the main topic of the union government. Okay, today functions of the parliament and functions of the Supreme Court. Okay, I introduced of the president rule. Today we will be discussing already. Okay, tomorrow we will continue other functions. What is the other functions of the Union Council of Ministers? Okay, a main important Union Council of Ministers. What is the main functions of the Union Cabinet and Union Council of Ministers? Okay, what is the main role of the Union Cabinet Ministers and Union Cabinet Ministers role? The role how to the Union Cabinet Ministers. Okay, the party roles, political party roles and political party views. Okay, so we will discuss and continue tomorrow Union Cabinet Minister functions. Okay, students, thank you.